Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So last time we were creating this backpack. The high poly was done. I create the low poly in my free time. And right now I have prepared all the baits and everything is done. So what you're seeing is the process of how to texture this one. It's fairly easy process, as I have said earlier, that you just have to define your materials first and then keep on adding details one by one. By defining material, I mean you have just one material, which is going to be parent material with all the UVs inside. But in Painter, you can define what's going to be fabric, what's going to be leather, and what's going to be metal, and so on and so forth. So after all the maps are done, everything's done, it's time for texturing. That is what we are doing right now. I'm just defining what is going to be a green fabric and brown leather. Trying to rename everything, trying to make everything in a proper folder structure, which is easier to so many names, which is easy. Sorry about earlier. So we will be. After defining all the materials, it's easier to tweak any time since you have all the folders and files layers ready to be tweaked. And by selecting from ID map, we can define our zippers, which I don't like creating in ZBrush anyways, because I like creating stitches in Painter itself because it gives me more freedom, more quality, and everything. Right now it's 4K. What if it's 2K or 1K? And how do you do that? How do you manage if you want to be big properly? So to avoid those things as well as to prefer the quality and the you know and the ability to tweak at any time. You can change the stitches. Once it's baked or once it's in hyper, you cannot change the shape, size, or gap, spacing. So I would rather suggest you to create it in Painter, the stitching and everything. Little details which you are not sure about, do that in Painter and it will be fine. For this one, it's okay. It was not a big deal. Excuse me. And here I'm just trying to add some discoloration, surface color variations, as well as some roughness variation, which is necessary to portray that the asset is being used, and it gives you natural result. A piece of advice: do not go overboard with wear and tear and all these grunges because it might not look good. In the beginning, you must be willing to add whatever you want and whatever you feel like, but believe me, it will be extra. You will end up removing a lot in future, or if you see that asset after 2 days, you will see that that's too dirty or something like that. So keep it in balance. Make sure that your asset looks not too clean, not too dirty. It's just that you should know the story behind the asset, how it's being handled, how it's used, or it's brand new. What do you feel like? You can do that. I hope you liked the series that I made. Was a little series I wanted to create since few people asked me how to make organic models or a prop such as this, which is organic but can be still and placed in any level or something. So yeah, that's how you can do from marvelous to painter and everything. I hope you liked it, and yeah, if you are liking the series and if you want to see more, put down your suggestions what you want me to make and subscribe for new videos. Exciting ones will be coming up very soon.
Please subscribe.
Apart from this, I am just adding right now some tearing effect. The threads which might be falling apart, something like that. I might end up removing it later, but I have also manually added some of the threads like that on front, and to make it it's used a little roughly. Now I'm on the last phase, which I like, that is adding dirt. I like dirt, how it gives you the result, and you can play with your settings on these mask builder and mask editor. I've added the dirt generator, which gives you a very nice result. You just have to play with the setting and control your contrast so that you can have a perfect and balanced dirt. This I'm doing the ground dirt, which you can place with the same layer on top of it on screen mode, so that both of them are useful. And you can use a brush to make it visible wherever you want and make it disappear where you don't want. So yeah, that logo I made in ZBrush. I'm putting it on the front badge. Let's see. I just import it as an alpha and stamp it on any hard brush. That's all. Pretty easy. So yeah, if you like it somehow, if you have learned something, you didn't know a few things, consider hitting subscribe maybe. It'll help me. It might help you in the future. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.